SAP has become the digital backbone for companies across the world. But today, no business uses only one system. A typical enterprise runs dozens of applications. SAP C4 HANA for finance and logistics, SuccessFactors for HR, Ariba for procurement, Concur for travel, custom portals, mobile apps, vendor systems, CRM platforms, and data warehousing. All these systems constantly need to exchange information to keep the business running. Imagine a futuristic digital city at night. Each building represents a different business system. C4 HANA glowing in blue, SuccessFactors in yellow, Ariba in purple, e-commerce platforms in white, and the mobile apps as small bright towers. These buildings are connected by bright data highways. These highways carry orders, invoices, employees, products, customers, payments, and many kinds of messages. If these highways are well organized, the city is efficient. If they are chaotic, the entire system slows down. Before SAP introduced modern integration tools, companies used point-to-point connections. This is like having a city with random cables connecting one building directly to another. The roads become tangled, messy, and impossible to manage. If one system changes, everything breaks. This spaghetti integration is unreliable, unscalable, and expensive to maintain. To solve this, SAP created a cloud-based integration hub called SAP CPI Cloud Platform Integration, also known today as SAP Cloud Integration, inside the SAP Integration Suite on SAP DPTP. Think of CPI as a glowing central cloud hub floating above the digital city. All the buildings connect neatly to this hub with clean, organized, glowing data pathways. It acts like an airport connecting flights between different cities. Each system sends its data flight to CPI. CPI processes it and sends it forward to the destination system. In simple terms, SAP CPI is a cloud solution where you design, run, and monitor integration flows between SAP and non-SAP applications. Instead of connecting systems directly, everything flows through CPI. This brings structure, security, and visibility. Inside CPI, the main building block is something called an integration flow, or iFlow. Visualize an iFlow as a glowing pipeline with multiple stations. A message enters from one side, flows through transformation boxes that reshape the data, and exits on the other side. Each step is represented by animated blocks that light up when data passes through. CPI provides many components for filtering, routing, mapping, enriching, and securing data, all inside this pipeline. To connect different types of systems and protocols, CPI uses adapters. Imagine a long corridor with multiple futuristic doors. Each door has a symbol: SOAP, OData, SFTP, Idaho, OC, JMS, HTTP, S2. These doors represent different communication methods. A SOAP door lets you connect to SOAP services. An OData door lets you call OData APIs. The SFTP door allows file-based integrations. The IDOC door supports traditional SAP IDOC communication. CPI allows you to pick the right door for the system you want to talk to. Let's bring this to life with a real example. Imagine an e-commerce website receiving a new customer order. In a glowing digital landscape, the order transforms into a bright package and travels a data road towards the CPI cloud. CPI receives the package, opens it, checks its contents, maps the fields to match SAP C4 HANA structure, repackages it, and forwards it to an S1 API endpoint. Inside Site 4, the package becomes a sales order that the business can process. This entire journey website to CPI to Site 4 happens in seconds. Another common example is employee data from SuccessFactors flowing into SAP C4 HANA. In this scenario, an employee profile appears as a glowing card moving from one system's tower to the CPI hub, where it is verified, transformed, and sent to the target system. CPI ensures consistency across HR, payroll, and finance. CPI also handles security and monitoring. Imagine a command center with holographic dashboard showing the status of every message. Green lines represent successful flows. Red lines show failures. CPI allows administrators to track each message, view payloads, check logs, inspect error messages, and even reprocess failed messages. Security is built through certificates, OAuth tokens, encryption, and trusted connections. It is like having powerful shields around every data path. If you have worked with SAP P or SAP P previously, think of CPI as the modern cloud-based evolution. On the left side of the picture is a traditional on-premise server room with old cables and hardware labeled PIPO. On the right side is a clean, bright cloud labeled CPI. A blue arrow moves from left to right, showing the industry shift from on-prem to cloud integration. The rise of cloud solutions like S/4HANA Cloud, SuccessFactors, Ariba, and third-party SaaS applications make CPI extremely important. Every company moving to the cloud needs integration. This creates tremendous career opportunities for CPI developers, integration consultants, and solution architects. Visualize a consultant climbing ascending digital steps labeled developer, consultant, senior consultant, lead, and architect. Each step glows brighter, representing skill growth and income growth. The background shows a large digital city representing enterprise systems, highlighting the impact integration professionals have on businesses. In summary, SAP CPI is the heart of modern SAP integration. It simplifies complex connections, ensures secure and reliable data movement, supports APIs and cloud services, and provides flexibility for all kinds of business scenarios. Understanding CPI is essential for anyone working with SAP technologies in 2025 and beyond. This knowledge opens doors to global consulting opportunities and long-term career growth. Thank you for learning this topic. In the upcoming videos, we will explore real integration scenarios, CPI connectivity with SRT4 HANA, adapter deep dives, iFlow development, and step-by-step demonstration. Stay connected and continue your journey to becoming a world-class SAP integration consultant.